Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a 5th day of total lockdown, and we all know that staying at home is very challenging one, especially to those having young kids or even to those having children at home. And today I'm gonna share with you one of the treats that we can make to indulge our children. And this treat is very easy, and this treat called churros. So let's start making. So first of all guys, I have this half cup water and half cup of milk, and I have this 110 grams of unsalted butter in goes, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but you can use white as well, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put in. So what we do is we let this one melt. Okay guys, you can see it's already melted. Now what we do is we have to put in our flour. It's a 1 cup all-purpose flour. Put inside, and while you're mixing this, you have to lift the pot from the fire. You cannot put it direct because you have to slowly mix this flour with the rest of the ingredients. And then when you can see all fully incorporated, then you can put down it on the fire and put your flame very slow, and you just mix this properly. Okay, so this is it. It's ready to thicken out. So now do the next steps. So guys, what we're going to do now is to let this dough mix with the egg, but before that we have to let it cool first because it's very hot, using the mixer. So we just let it cool down for a while, for at least 1 minute. Okay, so what we do now is I have 3 eggs. We're gonna put one at a time. I think that's it. Yes, this is the one. This is the consistency that we need. Look at that guys, you can see it's see, like that. It's like a bit like gooey but not too wet. So we're going to transfer this one into the piping bag and we start frying. So guys, I have this piping bag and I have this star tips. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put in our dough here. And we put in our dough inside here. So now it's okay. Now this one is ready. Now we're gonna start frying. So okay guys, now we're going to start frying, and before that we have to make sure that our oil is hot enough to do the frying. So because I don't have the candy thermometers, but it's very easy to find whether your oil is hot. It's just you have these bamboo sticks. So what we do is we just dip it inside, and look at that, you can see the bubble. That means your oil is ready for frying. And guys, make sure that you don't overcrowded your oil, so that we can maintain the temperature of the oil. And we fry this one for at least 1 minute each side. So when we can see the other side is golden brown, then we have to turn it to the other side. So guys, look at this. It's this is the color that we want, yeah. It's a golden brown. Now we're gonna take this one out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is the same process, guys. We have to fry it at least 1 minute each side and we take it out, yeah. So we have to do the same process, yeah. So guys, I fried some of the churros already, but this churros it won't be complete without the sugar with cinnamon. So I have this half a cup of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You have to mix it nicely, and now we're gonna coat all these churros with cinnamon. So this is it, guys. This is the final result of my churros, and look at that. So now I'm gonna try this one. How is it like, yeah? Look at that, guys. Inside is very soft and fluffy, and outside is very crunchy. Now I'm gonna try, yeah. I tell you guys, your children will love this. Whatever in the house will love this as a treat, yeah. So it's really worth trying. Outside is very crunchy and inside is very soft and very nice, yeah. So it's worth trying, yeah. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like and share and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys.